If the device won't turn on after a drop, or after it was submerged in water, then it's either due to a physical or liquid damage. However, if the problem started without apparent reason or cause, then it's probably just due to a pretty minor firmware issue that you yourself can fix. In this video, we will show you how to fix your Galaxy Note 20 that has a black screen of death issue. First solution: check for signs of physical and liquid damage. Before doing any troubleshooting procedures, inspect your phone first to see if there are any visible signs of physical damage. If the screen is cracked or broken, then that's probably the reason why it won't light up anymore. Also, inspect the sides and the back to see if there are scratches or dents. Aside from that, look into the charging port to see if there's some kind of moisture in it. If there is, then try to dry it up using a Q-tip or insert a piece of paper to absorb the moisture. If it's either due to physical or liquid damage, then we suggest you bring the phone to the shop and have it repaired. After all, there's only so much you can do about that. But after making sure it's not due to physical or liquid damage, then try the following solutions. Second solution: force restart your phone. In most cases, when a problem gets stuck on a black screen and would no longer respond, the problem is due to a firmware crash. It may seem like the problem is pretty serious as the device won't respond anymore, but in reality, it's actually pretty easy to fix. Here's how. Press and hold the volume down button and the power key at the same time for 10 seconds. This will trigger your device to boot up. So when the logo shows, release both keys and just wait until your Note 20 completes the boot process. Most of the time, this procedure is enough to make your phone work perfectly again. However, it still won't respond after this, then you should try the next solution. Third solution: charge your phone and do the forced restart. After doing the previous solutions and your Galaxy Note 20 still won't turn on, then it's possible that the battery is totally drained. The thing about battery drain is that, there's a tendency the firmware will crash if left to run out of juice. That might be the case here, so here's what you need to do. Plug the power adapter to a working wall outlet. Using the original cable, connect the Note 20 to its charger. Regardless of whether the charging sign is showing or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After that, try pressing and holding the volume down button and the power key for 10 seconds while it's still connected to the charger. If the logo shows, then release both keys. If not, continue holding them a little longer. We hope that this simple tutorial helped you one way or another. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enable the notification. Thanks for watching.